What's going on YouTube? I'm making a video right now of people that's trying to open up your iPhone 6s Plus. Well, iPhone 6 and 6 Plus and 6s Plus, basically all the 6 models. I don't know if this works for the 5 and the other one. I don't know. And the 4, I really don't know. But I ordered these tool sets, so if like you buy a phone from somebody and you ain't got warranty and you drop it and it cracks, and you want to change your phone screen yourself, you don't want to pay nobody to do it, just buy the screen and put on yourself. I got these tools off of Amazon for, I forget how much they cost. I forgot. But hold on. Yeah, I don't know how much they cost. I forgot. Let me see. They didn't have a price on it. I think it was like $7. I'm not sure. I don't know. You can see for yourself. But these are the tools that you need. Let me go ahead and open it. I should have it open because I'm doing this off my iPhone 6s Plus. I just need to take that out. This is what you need. I haven't opened it yet because I really don't need it right now. But I got a couple of screens, phone, LCD, well, full panels that I'm gonna buy. Some cracked iPhone 6 Plus and put those screens. I got a white and black LCD plus touchscreen display. So I'm gonna buy them cracked and fix them and use them for myself. Because I know how it is when you're trying to get your phone fixed, and you know they charge like I think $200 and up for it. Why do you just buy it yourself and fix it and start your own little business, right? But and then they got this little strap that you can put at the bottom of your phone, like just in case if you ever need it, like right there, so you can do it on the go. You put it by the charging port. I don't know if it's there. Go. See it right there. Gives you instructions, and you hang it from this little strap, which is right here. This little strap right here, and I guess the tool just dangles, like you see in the picture. See the dangles. I mean, I wouldn't recommend doing it. I don't know, but hey. So that's the screwdriver. And they give you a couple of extra screws. Oh no, that's the longer screws for the. Okay, I see. Alright. And that's the that you're gonna put by the charging port. So any questions, let me know in the description and I'll be happy to answer them. And I'm not gonna use this right now because I haven't bought my phones yet, but in the future, let's say 2 or 3 weeks from now when I decide to buy some, then I will make a video of me doing it, or the before and after. So stay tuned and I will be making another video. Thanks for watching. Peace.